Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Super Beauty My Zone. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a herbal tea for hair growth. This tea helps to treat hair fall and thinning of hair, get rid of premature hair graying and grow thick and long hair. To make this herbal tea, you need fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are rich in minerals such as calcium, potassium, iron and zinc, which helps to nourish hair follicles and stimulate hair growth. Curry leaves. Curry leaves are rich source of beta carotene and proteins which can reduce hair loss and increase hair growth. Kalonji seeds. Kalonji seeds contains powerful antioxidants which helps in stimulating the hair growth. Take 2 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. Half teaspoon of kalonji seeds. 1 cup of curry leaves. Make sure to wash the curry leaves before using. Let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes or until the water reduces to 1 cup. Now strain the tea and your tea is ready to drink. Drink this tea for 1 month. Your hair will grow quickly and will remain strong. Thank you for watching my video. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.